Good morning. Good morning, everyone. All right, today's a awesome day. Man, we got PENGU incoming for tomorrow. Bitcoin is currently going to new all-time highs literally as we speak. It's like, what's the mark price right now? Let's see, the mark price of Bitcoin right now. 106,804. We're in price discovery for Bitcoin right now. Morning, Rich Vibes. Hope you're having a great day. Happy Monday. Man, it's a green Monday. That's all I gotta say. It's a green Monday. I'm very excited. I have high expectations for this week. That's like what I can say. I have very high expectations. I think we see $130,000 Bitcoin very soon. Yeah, this week I'm pretty stoked about. I don't know if we'll hit $130,000 Bitcoin this week, but I'm how to join PENGU airdrop. Honestly, if you're like trying to join the airdrop today, you're probably not going to be able to join it. So I'm going to talk this today of like, how can we, because I don't think I'm getting airdropped any PENGU. I might be getting airdrops in PENGU. I have no idea. Honestly, it would probably just, if I get any, I'll be very shocked. But I'm planning on how do I take advantage of like when it enters on the dips and stuff like that. And we're going to talk today about how we can take advantage of the PENGU airdrop. I'm going to give you guys some important information on like when's the Binance listing. I'm trying to find when the actual coin goes live, but I cannot find that anywhere. I'm assuming it's going to be before the Binance listing. I assume it could be literally at the same exact time that it's getting listed on Binance. I don't know. I doubt that. Usually it's live before the Binance listing. So I came across a coin called, what is it? A coin called Galaxy. Are you familiar? Only 20. I'm not familiar with that coin. Rich Vibes, not familiar with that coin. I don't think I've ever heard of that coin. It doesn't ring a bell in my head. But yeah, PENGU is the coin to be paying attention to today. It is not live. So if you see anything right now saying that PENGU is live, it's a scam. Okay, do not fall for the scams. PENGU is not live. Okay, so I see a lot of scams, people trying to like say, oh, come buy this coin, the coin's live, hurry up. It's not live. Okay, it's not live. The Binance listing isn't even live until like 1400 hours UTC tomorrow. So the coin will not be live until December 17th, right? Today's the 16th. Yep. The coin is not going to be live until the 17th of December. So if it is not the 17th of December and you see something that says the coin is live, they are lying to you. Okay. So let's be careful. Let's protect ourselves. Let's not be stupid. I don't want to see anybody in my audience getting drained because they clicked the wrong link or something. Like, please be diligent. There's no need to rush. Like, there's no need to be like freaking out. Like, PENGU is going to be an opportunity all year. Okay, like it's going to be a cool opportunity. Right now, it's cool to be here on the day it launches. Right, and if you don't know what PENGU is the coin that Pudgy Penguins is launching, and Pudgy Penguins is the top NFT right now. Their floor price, I think their floor price is still more valuable than a Bitcoin. Okay, so there's an NFT more valuable with a floor price more valuable than Bitcoin. Okay, so to put it into perspective, that's what PENGU is. What do you believe the parabolic cycle will kick? When do you believe the parabolic cycle will kick in? But can't decide it's on Coinbase. I don't think PENGU. I want to get in, but can't decide it's on Coinbase. Got it. When do you believe the parabolic cycle will kick in? I think honestly, with this breakout of Bitcoin, we could see a pretty bullish move into January. I think the bull cycle has already started. I mean, if you look, we have seen parabolic moves on Bitcoin already. I mean, Bitcoin went from a $60,000 Bitcoin to now $106,000 Bitcoin. It just broke out. It's probably going to go to like 120 very soon. Like, these are parabolic moves, right? Now, altcoins are kind of lagging, right? Like, Solana definitely is a little bit lagging. Ethereum's lagging. Ethereum hasn't broken out. So I think a lot of these coins are going to be starting to do these parabolic moves very, very similar to like what Bitcoin did. I was talking about, it's Galaxy. Oh, someone told me the day is now with. Yeah, I think now is like, I think now is the time, right? If you're looking at entries like now, it's now or never, right? It's going to start going really, really bullish, especially with Bitcoin breaking out again, making new all-time highs, price discovery. It's just going to keep going. And the bull run's not over. Like, the bull run should go until about November 2025. That's what the typical cycle is. Should go until 2025 of November next year. And then that is when, honestly, I'll probably be like, yeah, it's probably done. Like, we might see now bearish, right? So now there will be mid 2025 a very big correction, and people will say it's over. That is bound to happen. There's going to be a very large correction mid 2025, and then it'll have another spike to make all-time highs again, and then it'll be done, which should be around November. That's my guess. PENGU worth it? Yes, PENGU is definitely worth it. It's not live yet, but it's coming. It's coming. We're going to talk about it. Okay, it comes December 17th. So if you see anything that says it's live, it's not live. Okay, it's not live until December 17th. And on my calendar, it is not December 17th yet. Let's look into some PENGU real fast. Let's do some of that. Okay. Pudgy Penguins. Okay. Where's Pudgy Penguins? Tweeted out. Pudgy Penguins tweeted out 3 hours ago. 3 hours ago, they said tomorrow. Okay. So if they're saying 24 hours from 3 hours ago, which is, that was 3 hours ago was 6 a.m. 3 hours ago was 6 a.m. If it's 24 hours from now, that would put us at 6 a.m. tomorrow, which is when the Binance listing happens. Okay. The Binance listing happens at 1400 UTC. And how do I know that? I found the Binance announcement and the listing is at right here. 1400 UTC, December 17th. Okay. I made a tweet. Where did my X profile go? I made a tweet on my profile, or a post, not tweets anymore, but it's everything about Pudgy Penguins. Okay. It's the coin address. It's the time of listing. It's the total supply. It's the circulating supply at time of listing. It's the official ticker. It's the what blockchain are they on? Everything. So if you want to bookmark this has important things. Why is this an important tweet? Because I have the coin address on here. And if you want to like go to an exchange and make sure you're buying the right coin, you would copy this coin address and paste it in that exchange. Okay. And when you paste it in that exchange, you'll know for sure then that you're buying the actual coin. Okay. If you see a coin that does not match this coin address and you're potentially buying it, you're buying a scam. Okay. You're buying something fake. If the coin address is not this, it is not PENGU, period. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. Okay. The coin address is not this. It's not PENGU. But the Binance listing is at 1400 UTC. Okay. And when I go to UTC to PST, which is my time zone, I'm in PST. When I go to UTC to PST, let's zoom that in. That's like, you can barely see that. Okay. UTC at 1400 hours is 6 a.m. my time. Okay. So 6 a.m. PST, right? On December 17th, the coin is going live. Okay. I have a bot that's going to try to snipe it. Okay. Not snipe it when it enters, because I don't have that capability. I don't have a bot that has the sniper entries, but I have it at market caps. Okay. So if PENGU drops the $700 million market cap, it'll be sniping it. If it hits 800, 900, 1 billion, 1.1 billion, I don't know if it'll go that low, because when I look at the coin already, it's at $188 billion market cap. I don't know if that's realistic. That would literally put it at a top 3 coin at listing. If it's at $188 billion market cap at open, it literally will be a top 3 coin in all of crypto. And I just don't think, I could be totally wrong. I just don't think that's actually going to be what it is. I could see it being like 1 to 10 billion. I would not be surprised if it opens up around $10 billion market cap. So we'll see. We'll see. The coin is also on Solana. Okay. So if you're buying something on Ethereum or XRP or TON or Tron or whatever other SUI, the coin is only on Solana blockchain. So also, again, protect yourself. Only buy PENGU if it's on the Solana blockchain. Okay. If it's on another blockchain, it's not the coin. Okay. If you want to be really safe, you can buy it off Binance if you have a Binance account. But I'm using BonkBot. I'm using BonkBot to try to snipe some entries. I don't know. It could not hit any of those. I'll try to be up at 6 a.m. tomorrow to watch it and be up before the coin goes live. But we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. I will definitely try to be up. We might have an early live stream tomorrow instead of at 9 a.m. We might do one really early. I'm gonna be exhausted. I'm literally just gonna come out of bed and like walk over to my computer and just be like, all right, guys, I'm up. Let's go. I have a call today too at like 10 p.m. So we'll see. We'll see how this goes. So okay, so 6 a.m. Is anybody who watching, would you like me to look up your time zone of what time that is for you? If you would like me to do that, please shoot in your time zone in the chat, and I'd be more than happy to look up your time zone for you of what that time is of the Binance listing, so you can be active and ready when it's listing for you. So if you would like me to look that up, throw your time zone in the chat and I will look that up for you. Okay. So at any time, throw it in. We can go back and look at it. But yeah, for me, it's 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Okay. 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Oh my gosh. Why does it keep doing that? Drive me nuts. Okay. And I think I'm gonna be live. I think I'll be live at that time. Maybe not, because I kind of want to focus, and sometimes live streaming is kind of hard to focus in if I'm trying to buy something. Just joined for what? And morning, man. Good morning. What do you mean? We're talking about PENGU. That's dropping tomorrow. PENGU. It's the Pudgy Penguin coin. That's probably gonna be like the biggest coin by end of 2024. It's gonna be it's very, very hyped. It's the Pudgy Penguin coin. Yeah, it's gonna be huge. Like, if you want that information, again, I have my tweet out on it of all the important information on it. But yeah, so Binance is listing it. That's not a fake thing. Okay. Should I go into what I did to set up my bot? Would you guys like to see like how I set up my bot to buy PENGU? How long you hear about it? I've known about PENGU. I don't know. When did they first tweet about it? When did they first tweet about it? Let's see. December 5th? So early this month? Yeah, I didn't really start taking notice of it though until last week, because like it doesn't launch until tomorrow. So and I don't have $130,000 to go buy a Pudgy before it launches. So I mean, if you got $130,000, you know, you might want to, I don't know. I think you had to fill out a form in order to be, I have no idea. I'm not in the Pudgy Penguin Discord. I'm not focused in on how to secure the airdrop. I'm focused in on how do I capitalize on when the coin launches, because I don't think I'm getting any airdrop from it. If I do, I'll be very excited, but I'm not expecting much. All right, let me go in. I'm gonna show you guys what I use to set up my entries for PENGU. Okay, so I use BonkBot. Okay, I use BonkBot, and you can see I have my orders, and it just keeps trying to put in these orders. It's kind of funny. I wish I could have it stop doing this, but I want my orders open. So if it does go live before 6 a.m. tomorrow. Is it a meme? No, this is a community coin. So it's the Pudgy Penguin coin. Do you know what Pudgy Penguins are? They're an NFT. They're the top NFT right now. They're the biggest NFT. It's their community coin. But yeah, I use let me go here. I wish I could have it stop freaking doing this. I use the BonkBot to buy. I use the buy feature And then when I use the buy feature, okay, you paste in the coin address. Let's see. Do I have the coin address here? Nope. I need to grab the coin address real fast. Which, that's why I made that tweet. I really did it kind of for myself. So I have that to look on. Grab the coin address. Paste it in here. Oh. Then you have all these opportunities, right? I got all these limit orders that it shows. Okay. And I can DCA, I can swap, I can limit order, I can buy, you know, buy 1 SOL, buy 5 SOL, buy any kind of amount of SOL, right? So I did limit buy. Okay, limit buy X amount of SOL, right? So I'm gonna tell it what I want. Now I said, you know, I did 2 SOL orders because I have 10 SOL in this wallet. And then it says, okay, how do you want it to limit order by? Do you want it to do it by market cap? Do you want it to do it by actual dollar amount price? Do you want it to do it by a multiplier or by percentages? If it goes negative or positive a certain percentage, do you want it to buy? And so I did it by market cap. I did it by market cap, and I just set different market caps. Now, another good way I think that you could have limit orders is by the percentages. So it doesn't matter what it opens at, but if it has a 10% dip, it'll buy for you. If it has a 20% dip, it'll buy for you, right? Or if it has a 20% pump, it'll buy for you. I might change mine from market cap to the percentages instead of the market cap, because it might be better to have it if it dips negative 5%, 10%, it auto buys a dip, right? So now it's not set to a price or a market cap. It's just going to buy it as it goes up and down. So I might actually do that. I might actually do that with Bonk. Because I assume right when it opens, it's going to have a pretty large dip. Like I assume when it opens, it's gonna have a dip. And then it's going to get bought up by whales. Yeah, that's how I use Bonk Bot to do this all. And that's how I plan on doing it. And you can easily, from the Telegram bot, you can easily cancel your orders, modify your orders, things like that. So it's very simple. But I like Bonk Bot. It's the fastest bot, in my opinion. I don't think there's that's also what they claim, is they have the fastest bot in the industry. So, yeah, that's how I did it. And you can use my tweet to get all the information you need, the coin address, the ticker, and all that stuff. So, all right. Let's move on from PENGU. And we'll see if there's any information that comes out throughout the live stream from Pudgy. So we'll have their thing up to see if there's anything else that comes up. But as of right now, I think they're just kind of they really aren't putting much out. Just soon, tomorrow, and then they'll probably announce it tomorrow, maybe a little bit before. I only have a Sol wallet. How do I get in on it? Perfect. That's all you need. You need a Sol wallet. You don't need any other wallet. You need a Solana wallet address. I only have a Sol wallet. How do I get in on this? Yeah, there's so many different ways, right? You can use the Bonk bot or like a trading bot like I just showed you. You can just wait until the coin goes live tomorrow and watch the charts and buy dips manually, right? You do it yourself. You can... if you have a sniper bot, some people have access to sniper bots. I don't have a sniper bot. You can snipe it as soon as it opens. You can snipe the coin. Or you can literally just go to like BLOFIN or Binance. Coinbase is probably going to list PENGU. Jupe. You could go to Jupe and use their features, right? Let me show you Jupe. You got Jupe, and you can go to like limit order or DCA, and you can set up a DCA to go live at 6 a.m. tomorrow. And you can set up a certain amount of USDC or Solana. You can put Solana in there and say, I want it to DCA however much Sol into you'd paste the coin address. I don't think it'll work right now. Oh, it's right here, PENGU. So it's not live yet, right? But you can set it to DCA into PENGU, and then you can set minute, hour, day, week. So like you can do it in the first, 60 minutes of it being live. I wanted to DCA 120 SOL into this coin, or however much SOL you have. Like I have, I think 12 SOL in this wallet. So I DCA 12 SOL into PENGU in the first 60 minutes of it being live, Jupe is actually probably a pretty good one. Now you would have to be here and set the DCA at the time of it opening, right? You can't set it to like start at 6 a.m. tomorrow. You would have to be there at 6 a.m. to set the DCA up. And maybe that's what I do. Or you can do, 90 minutes, however many. Yeah. So, you could even do 30 minutes, right? So, yeah, there's just like any other meme coin. Yeah, treat it like any other meme coin, but it's not a meme coin, but treat it how you would snipe a meme coin, right? Treat it the same way. Treat it how you would buy it or sell it, right? It's not live yet, right? So we're talking about it before it's even tradable. So it's like, hey, do the same things as you would a meme coin, but do it and try to do it quickly when it goes live, and it should be live 1400 hours UTC tomorrow. No. It's not Binance only. No, the Binance listing is just a big announcement. That the fact that it's listed that quickly on Binance, like basically right when it launches, it's going live on Binance. And Binance listings are very popular. Like when something gets a Binance listing, it's like immediate $1 billion market cap minimum, right? So it's banned here. Yeah, I can't access Binance either. So, but it'll be available on Jupe. It'll be available on Bird Eye, Photon, trading bots. It'll be available on. It should be available very quickly on BLOFIN. What other sites? MEXC. It should. I don't know if Coinbase is listing PENGU. I'm sure they will. Binance is doing it. I'm sure they will. I just don't know when Coinbase will list it, but yeah, they'll be available pretty much anywhere, very quickly. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about it and kind of give you guys the alpha on it. So yeah, you guys can be prepared for this coin when it goes live. New York boys, yeah, I'm West Coast, so you must be East Coast. I'm West Coast. All right, is it that hype? Yeah, dude. Yeah, it's very like, just go on X and type in $PENGU and you'll see how many people are talking about it and how it's hyped. It's very hyped. I think honestly the PENGU airdrop is honestly what has stunted the ME growth. To be honest with you, the fact that ME launched and then right after is the PENGU airdrop, I think that's honestly why ME has been so slow to move, is because, when there's hype news events like this, I could be wrong. Maybe it's just because ME it's just down, that's just, it is what it is. Yeah, I think PENGU is very hyped and it has the backing, right? It's this, like, let's go to OpenSea real fast, or let's go to Magic Eden. All right, let's go to Magic Eden and I'll show you, if you've never seen Pudgy Penguins, I'll show you what they are. This is Pudgy Penguins. This is Pudgy Penguins, right? Their floor price right now is 30.2499 ETH. 34 30.2499 ETH. So can we see that in oh, you can buy these in Magic Eden. What is that? 30 point. Let's look it up real fast. ETH to USDC 30.2499. $120,000 and $120.5 is what one Pudgy is going for right now, which is $14,000 more than a Bitcoin. Wait, you're saying I wish I could be on the live and use Twitter too? Oh yeah, yeah. That's if you're on X. Oh yeah, you can't do both at the same time. But yeah, Pudgy Penguins right now, their floor price is $120,000, right? And these are the Pudgy Penguins. They're the biggest NFT in all of crypto. There's no NFT bigger than them. They've surpassed Bored Ape Yacht Club. They've surpassed all of the top ones, but they're the top one. And little Pudgies are 3.49 ETH. So I guess, you know, I don't know. I don't know the airdrop stuff, and I don't know if it's worth buying one now for the airdrop. I really don't. I don't know. And I would hate for someone to buy it and then you not get the airdrop. You know, to spend that much money and not get the airdrop would suck. If you want, you can go to my YouTube channel. I do have it live on YouTube. I'm also live on Twitch and TikTok. So if you are on a phone and you go live, like watch the live from YouTube, I know you can like exit out of YouTube, still watch the live, but then use other things. So if you'd like to go to YouTube or something, you can watch it there. I am live on YouTube. If you go to my bio on X and just click my link tree and then go to my YouTube profile, it'll be like it'll send you right to my YouTube profile, and then the live should be like right on the first thing you see. All right, let's talk. Okay, I think we've covered Pudgy. If there's any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I'd love to answer any questions. But let's get into crypto. Let's get into some market cap talk. Let's get into where we think, how we think Bitcoin's performing. You know, all right. Yep, let's go over here. Okay. Q4 for Bitcoin, we are at over 67% now. We're at 67%. We need 13% more to hit 80%, like our goal is. Yes, this is like the next meme launch. Yes, I would agree. Hey, I love it. You found us on YouTube. I love it, dude. Welcome to the YouTube side of things. Really no different. But Q4, we're at over 67% return for Bitcoin. Absolutely love it. Remember, our goal is over 80% to close out Q4. We're getting close, right? We were at 50% last week, so we're up another 17% in the grand scheme of things. So 67%. I love seeing that. Love seeing that for Bitcoin in Q4. December, we are now at 10%. 10%. So we're kicking off this first week very well. We're at 10% Bitcoin. Remember, our goal is to see 40% for Bitcoin. Okay, so we need another 30 to hit our goal. I would like to see 40% this month. Would be my ideal. And then let's see what last week closed out. I think we actually might have closed last week out green. We did. We got 3. We hit our goal. I told us last week, I said I would love to see between 2 and 5% of the last week to close, of the 50th week to close. We hit 3%. Let's go. Let's go. We hit it. That's beautiful. We were at negative like 0.1% when we had our stream on Friday. So the weekend was actually a bullish weekend. We closed out with 3%. That's awesome. That typically does not happen on the weekends. So now we're going into the third week of December, which is historically very bullish week. And we're already at a plus 2%. Okay. I would like to see this week look like 2020. I would like to see 12%. 2016, we saw 13%. I would like to see 10 or more percent this week. Okay. That would put us, we'll do a quick little look from current price, right? We're at already 2%. So we would need another 8 from current price. That puts us at $115,000 Bitcoin. Now, say if we saw a 12 to 13, we would need another 11. That puts us at $118,000 Bitcoin. I think that is very realistic for this week. We honestly could see 120K this week, which would give us about a 14% return this week. And I'm expecting this green. I'm expecting us to tap on my weekly Fibonacci retracements. Okay. I'm expecting us to tap the -50 and the -61.8. Okay. Those are, I think we will enter into here this week. Okay. I'm very excited for it. Very excited what we're doing. And we are literally making all-time highs right now. Bitcoin is at $107,114 Bitcoin. So, we haven't broken up. It's still got a little bit of a wick on it. But I think we might see $108,000 Bitcoin very soon. But I'm loving it. Loving it. You can see the position I have live. That's going very good. Luck. Good morning. Hope you're having a great day. Hey, why does Binance say PENGU will release within 12 hours after the announcement? I don't see that. Why does Binance say PENGU will release within 12 hours after the announcement? Binance has a specific time they're launching PENGU, and it in the announcement, I'll zoom in right here for you guys. And the announcement's right here. Their official Binance will then list PENGU at 2024 December 17th, 1400 hours UTC in open trading against USDT, BNB, FDUSD, and TRI pairs. The C tag will be applied to PENGU. So there isn't like a 12 hours after announcement. It's a specific time. I haven't seen anything that says 12 hours. Oh, wait. Let's see. Binance is excited to announce the 4th and 5th projects on the hodler airdrop portal. Users who subscribe their BNB to simple earn products will get airdrops distribution. The holder airdrops information is estimated to be available in 12 hours, and the new token will be distributed to the user's spot wallets. I don't see anything that says 12 hours. Scroll down a bit. Okay. Is it in this one? No, more down, I think. Down below is just the hodler airdrops information. Yeah, there's nothing. It's just terms and conditions. Yeah. No, this announcement was updated on. Yeah, I don't see anything. Disclaimer. Yeah, this one. Yeah, you were there. Up. Okay, sorry. Is it in here? In the disclaimer? Where your token amount is showed below that. Where the token amount is showed below that. Should I go up a little more? Like where the information on... Sorry, this is hard when it's in from chat. Where the token amount is. This shows the token amount. Up. Okay. Token amount. Probably. Terms and conditions. It's probably in here. This. More up. This right here. More up. I think more up is the cat. This is a different coin up here. 1,000 cat is a different coin. Or there, yeah. I think you're talking about here. The PENGU holder airdrop details. I don't see any. So research report is available within 12 hours of publishing this announcement. The only thing that's 12 hours is the research report right here. Can you guys see it? You should be right. The research report. No, at airdrop details. So that's for the hodlers. That's for the hodlers. Not like the normal coin. Does that make sense? Binance has a program. The sentence with 12 hours. What does this mean? Will be available within 12 hours of publishing this announcement. That they're talking about the research report. Yeah, it's the research report. So like basically Binance will do a report on the coin for everyone who receives coins or everyone who's maybe potentially buying it, and it's like a research report. Yeah, it's not the drop. Yeah, the actual drop, when you scroll up here, this is when the drop will be live on Binance. This part right here, 1400 UTC. You know, you might be able to pre-buy it. This is the one place I know you can usually pre-buy. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Sol website. And I have a link in my bio if you would like to use this. Okay, hoping to make 5K off this coin. About to be debt free thanks to crypto. Okay, thank you. Really helped. Yeah. So Whales Market. If you guys don't know Whales Market is where you can usually pre-buy coins before it's launched. Okay. It's how it works is people who are allocated an airdrop will basically give you their airdrop at a dollar amount. Okay. And you can kind of see where PENGU is pre-trading at. And then basically Whale is a middleman between you and someone receiving an airdrop. Say you're going to buy $1,000 worth of PENGU from someone who has an allocated airdrop. They basically promise you X amount of PENGU of whatever that dollar amount is of. Say it's worth $2. So you're probably getting 500 PENGU. And this is the middletman. And then if they fail to give you that, you just get your money back. Okay. So let's look at the pre-market for PENGU and let's see what it's doing right now. Okay. So right now it's trading at 5 cents. Okay. It's trading at 5 cents in the pre-market. And if you would like to use this, go to the link in my bio. Okay. I'll show you. Linktree. And then if you scroll down, I have a bunch of links. There are a bunch of tools and stuff. But if you scroll down to the buy/sell points and coins pre-market with Whales Market, it's like my last link. Go and use that. That link in my bio will get you into this website and able to use the pre-market and buy PENGU before it actually launches. Okay, so PENGU right now. Let's do a practice. We'll do a practice run of like, I'm not actually going to use this and put money in, but let's show you. Is that the real PENGU? Yes, this is the real PENGU. Whales Market is, you can like, we can double check, right? And how can you double check? You use the coin address, right? So search, and then let's go to my tweet. Okay, we'll go to my tweet with the coin address. Okay, Control C. Use the search button here, Control V. Oh, maybe they don't do it by coin address. I think you can check it when you click here. I think you can only do it by ticker. But the thing with Whales Market, they don't do fake coins. Like they only do the real stuff. That's why you can kind of trust it. But let's see if we can look at the coin address on here. to double check it. I don't see the coin address on here, but why don't you buy it? So the reason why I don't buy it is oftentimes the pre-market you do buy at a little bit of a premium and then it dips. And I'd rather wait, like, because right now it's trading at 4 cents. And so people like to lock in early, right? And so I like to, because I'm a day trader, right? I like to be at the chart and buy the dips. Like if it goes to 1 cent, 2 cent, 3 cent, right? I'd rather get in that and see where it actually trades. Because right now when you do the pre-market, you're taking a bet, right? You're taking a bet and locking in at a price. So you're locking in your pre-market buy at 4 cents, right? 0.0482, right? Now, when it goes live, right? The coin could go to 10 cents, right? And you got an amazing entry. But also when it goes live, the coin could drop down to 2 cents, right? So it's kind of like your bet of like, it's your bet on, do you think it's gonna, like, you're gonna get a good entry beforehand, right, at 4 cents, and the coin goes to 10? Or are you maybe gonna buy early, maybe it dips, and then you're gonna go positive, right? It's just kind of like a bet. So if, like, say you wanted to, like, a good strategy you could do with PENGU is, say you had $1,000, right? You can say, I'm gonna buy $250 worth on Whales Market to lock it in at 4 cents. So if it does go to 10 cents, I'm positive, right? But then I have $750 to trade with if it goes below 4 cents, right? So it's kind of you can do a trading strategy with it, which actually, now that I think about it, I might actually want to do that. Maybe. We'll see. I might actually do that. But there's like different strategies you can do with it, right? So is there already a market cap on that one? No, there's no market cap yet. You can just kind of see the volume. So their volume so far is $1.3 million, and their total volume is almost $3 million in volume on this platform. But I like, when it comes to this PENGU, you can trust Whales Market. They don't list fake coins. They don't like list a fake PENGU. It's the real thing. I've done pre-market before. I did it with Jupe. I've done it with what, I don't even remember coin. I haven't used it in a while. But Jupe was the one I used it on, and you can go on. They have so many, right? They got Stream. They even got the BullX one that's coming on here pre-market already. Where's the BullX one? BullX, the airdrop that's coming there. But yeah, so what you can do, you go to PENGU, right? You find you can see all the different ones, right? So right now it's at 5 cents, but you can look here and you can say, do you want to sell or are you buying, right? Are you selling? Which, if you're selling, that means you have PENGU that you would like to sell to someone. Or are you someone with Solana or USDC that you would like to buy PENGU? So I would want to buy Solana to PENGU. So here, this person has created an order that they say they have 80,000 PENGU and they're looking for 19 SOL. And so you can either fill their entire order and put 19 SOL in there, or you can say, I want to do a partial. Okay. And I only want to do, right, buying. I only want to buy, wait. Oh, they only let you do partials. This one only, you can't buy the whole thing. Oh, I see, full. So see here on, they've changed the UI, and so I'm trying to remember. So when you're looking at the fill type, this one says you can buy the full order, all 16,000. But most of these say partial, so you can only buy an X amount of PENGU, right? From one person. So this one that has oh, it moved. This one that has 80,000 PENGU, and they're looking for 19 SOL. They only allow you to max buy 4,666 PENGU from them, and you have to put up collateral of 1.1 SOL. Okay, and then day of, when it comes to it, you can come and claim your PENGU. But the thing with Whales Market 2, it's not instantly. The person you went into a deal with has to put their PENGU on and right. So sometimes it can take a little bit. You got to wait for the person to drop it, like deposit their PENGU, and then you can withdraw. So yeah, but yeah, you can just find these partials, right? And you can look at which one do you want to like buy. Do you want to buy with USDC? Do you want to buy with Solana? And then yeah, you can buy from here. And then day of, you can go and then connect to your wallet and claim your PENGU. And then if that person fails to put their PENGU in there, right, then you just get your money back and then you don't spend it. Now you can go buy it on market, right? So but yeah, if I bought it with this guy, I'm locking it in at 5 cents, 5 cents 0.0523. So I'd be locking in my buy at 5 cents. Now if you want lower than 5 cents, right, like this person is way too high. They're 25 cents, right? They're 5x the current floor price. No one's gonna do this one. At least they shouldn't. I mean, if they did, it's pretty stupid. But this one is 4 cents. That's not bad. This one's almost 5 cents. Let's see if we can find one that's maybe under 4 cents. Okay, so the lowest, yeah, the lowest is 0.048. And so this one actually, right now you're lower than the current floor price. So that'd be a good one. So yeah, you can go here and see what am I locking in my buy price at, and then buy from there. But if you buy how do you X your money when it goes up with the market cap? I don't get it. But if you buy it now, how do you X your money when it goes up with the market cap? I don't get it. Sorry, I'm a little confused. And hold, baby. Just get in ASAP and hold, baby. I'm a little confused by your question. Because you're just, with Whales Market, you're just locking in your buy at a certain price. And an X amount of PENGU. And then you withdraw it. And then when you go on, when it goes live, you'll be able to see if you're up or down. Like right now, like with Whales Market, you're not necessarily focused on market cap. You're focused on what is the price I'm buying at. Now with market cap, you can go into and do the math, right? You'd have to do a lot of math, because if there's $62.4 billion, right? Or 62.4 billion coins live at launch. And if they're trading at 5 cents a coin, you can do the math and figure out the market cap. Let's see if we can do that. Calculate market cap crypto. Let's see if we can find let's see. Let's try this website real fast. All right, if coin token value is, okay, here we go, 0.05, right? That's kind of where it's at in Whales Market. The circulating supply is this. Control C. This is the circulating supply. Then market cap, if PENGU is at 5 cents with the current circulating supply, that puts it at a $3.1 billion market cap. Okay, so technically right now with Whales Market hovering around 5 cents, PENGU is hovering around a $3 billion market cap. Okay, so I have my trading bots right now sniping at $1.1 billion market cap, 1 billion, and then sub 1 billion. So I might be way off. I might want to put my sniping up a little bit. If it's already trading at a $3 billion market cap, I might want to move mine up, right? So these are good informations to have. And I'm going to make a tweet kind of concluding everything we've talked about PENGU after this, about like the potential circulating market cap. This is a good one to have. What's Wells market trading at? You know, good places you can go use, but yeah. No, that's not too high, I don't think. I think literally PENGU could be $10 billion market cap next tomorrow. Like, I mean, their floor price, right, of their NFTs is $120,000. I think a coin being, I think this coin could easily be a $10 billion market cap coin. Yeah, I don't think that's too high, in my opinion. I think it's definitely going to have a dump after. I think it will dump, but then that dump will not last long. Yeah, getting in early could be, yeah, a really good play long term. Yeah, I agree. Because, like, think of it, right? If you got in Wells market cap at 5 cents, give PENGU a year, especially in this now bull market, and if it 10x's, right? I mean, that's a great entry if you got in at 5 cents, right? If it goes to 10, what if it's, let's see what its value at if it's 10. I don't know if it'll do that. Let's go 0.1. So I'd put it at around 17 cents if it hit a $10 billion market cap. What are they doing to make it worth holding? That's a good question. That's such a good one. Okay. They're doing a lot. They're doing a lot of different stuff. Let's get into it. So, Pudgy Penguins, obviously, NFT, right? That's where they started out. Calling out Tom. Okay. Pudgy Penguins, off the bat, they have a collection of NFTs. Okay, they have their main Pudgy Penguins, and then is it mini Pudgy Penguins? Or little Pudgy Penguins, whatever, their smaller one that's trading at almost 4 ETH. So that they have their NFTs. Now also, Pudgy Penguins are on TikTok, okay? And so across their socials, right? Their X profile, they're at 274,000, okay? On their TikTok. I'll just look them up on my phone real fast and I'll show you guys. Okay, Pudgy Penguins on TikTok are at 500,000 followers, okay? I don't know if you guys can see that. They're at 531,000. On Instagram, I think they're at over 1 million on Instagram. $1.7 million on Instagram. Okay, so they have created an audience in regards to their penguins outside of Web3. Okay, now also that's another portion of Pudgy, but also Pudgy penguins in Walmart. They also have their toys. Their toys are on Walmart. Their toys are on Amazon. And they have sold a lot of toys. I don't know the exact number, but I know it's a lot of toys. So they're creating an IP. They're more of an IP focused NFT. And they want to create this worldwide recognized brand. So why could Pudgy be pretty big is, think of it like, shareholding into something like, what could be something, Disneyland, I mean, Disneyland's it's not even close to a Disneyland, right? That's just an example, right? They want to create this thing that has recognizability with kids, adults, and worldwide, globally. And they're creating a social brand. I imagine they're probably going to get into maybe like TV shows or stuff. I don't know everything they're going to do, but they're creating this IP recognized brand that they want to expand. And it has grown substantially and has been able to, they've been able to really garnish attention, right? And so if people who own these Pudgy Penguin toys find out there's a coin that they can invest in and they love the Pudgy Penguin, right? What will people do? They'll probably invest in the coin. They're not going to go buy the NFT, that's for sure, right? You're not going to get someone to go buy a $130,000 NFT, but you can get someone to go buy a 5-cent token, right? And people on Coinbase, like mainstream investors, they love coins under 10 cents, right? They love buying coins like that, especially if they can go and support it on in social media, go buy the toy, whatever, right? So they're basically expanding with the Pudgy Penguin token, PENGU, their audience and their community on who can take part and invest. And I think it's really smart. But yeah, so I think a $10 billion valuation would be pretty easy for them to garnish, because everybody in crypto, right? If you just include crypto, everybody wants a piece of the pie with Pudgy Penguins. And so this gives an entry for someone who can't afford an NFT. Like me, I can't afford their NFTs. I'm not going to buy a 30 ETH NFT, but I will buy a 5-cent token that gets me a part of their community, right? And so if you just look at crypto in general, there's a lot of people that want to buy this token up and be a part. So Luck's question is, will it be possible to buy it before Binance listing on Photon or Phantom? The only way to do that is like paying attention to their announcements, right? Maybe you join their Discord, follow their X account, and see when the coin goes live, because I have not been able to find out when the actual coin goes live. I only know that the Binance listing is at 6 a.m. my time. And so, you know, unless you have a sniper bot, okay? Unless you have a sniper bot, that's the best way to snipe. Or you just set limit orders, and then if the limit orders happen to hit, they hit, right? So, like Photon or Phantom, I don't think you'll be able to snipe. You usually need a bot or a tool of some sort to get a sniper entry. Fair Value says, thoughts on ARKM? I hear Palantir CO is behind it. I've never heard of that. I never heard of ARKM. I would have to check into it. But yeah, well, I don't know if you can snipe on Photon. Like there's not a sniper tool on Photon that I know of. The only sniper tool I know of, and I can't get access to it, is the Trojan on Solana. But you have to get whitelisted, and I don't think I would get it in time. I can show you guys what I mean. So if I go to Telegram, I have my Trojan on Solana bot. Okay, so they have the sniper feature here. When I click this feature, okay, it tells me this. Ready to access the Trojan migration sniper? Put Trojan on Solana notifications on. Quote retweet this tweet. So you have to quote retweet a tweet with the reason why you're using Trojan, and then you'll be whitelisted by our team in the next batch. So whenever the next batch is, there's not much information, but you have to quote tweet this tweet and like do a bunch of these things to get whitelisted. And if you would like to use the Trojan bot, I got a link in my bio too. I got a link in my bio for all the tools that you need to master crypto. So we've been doing a series on that. So But I don't know if anybody knows of another sniper bot. Please put it in the chat. But that's the only one I personally know of. You usually need a bot, Luck. You can't just, I mean, unless you're there at the screen, like refreshing or just waiting. But that you could be waiting for hours, right? Because I don't know the time of the Pudgy Penguin launch, like the actual token launch. I think it might actually be when the Binance listing happens. I think they might be at the same time, but that's all speculation. There's no confirmation of that. They could be an hour before that. They could be 5 hours before that. They could be at midnight tonight. It could be at 1 a.m., 4 a.m. I don't know. And I don't think they will tell us, because if they did tell us, there would be a ton of bots like just trying to snipe it. So, and people just waiting. All right, we haven't even done the market cap and stuff. We've been so focused on PENGU. We barely even got to do like Bitcoin TA. I love it though. I love it. We're having a great conversation. All right, let's go back real fast. We're gonna go back to the Bitcoin conversation. But if you guys want to continue the PENGU, just drop your conversation, drop your any insight, and I'll address it, and I'll go back to it. Okay, let's look at ETF inflows. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, I do want, so BlackRock or ETF inflows last Friday closed at $428 million again, going into what am I trying to say? Into Bitcoin. But there's this amazing announcement. Who was it? What is it? Bitcoin. Is it Bitcoin Magazine? I'm pretty sure they did the announcement. I'm pretty sure they did. Bitcoin or BlackRock currently holds more. BlackRock currently holds more Bitcoin than Satoshi Nakamoto. Where was that announcement? Was it Watch Guru? BlackRock holds like 1.4% of the supply or something like that now. There's a very specific one. Let me just search it up.
What is that? It is over here.
Here we go. Okay. Hopefully they just have a simple image. All right. Where is it? Yeah, I don't know. There was an announcement. I saw it somewhere. Maybe it was a joke, but ETFs hold a lot of Bitcoin, 1.1 million Bitcoin, I think it is. But they are continually buying, even in this massive pump where Bitcoin is continuing to rise. I just think we're on the brink of just a parabolic move. I think it's just about to happen and go crazy. All right, crypto market cap is at new all-time highs. Crypto market cap is at new all-time highs. Do you see that? $3.74 trillion, or $3.75 now trillion. Okay, and it's still leaning altcoin season. Okay, still leaning altcoin season. but we should be at $4 billion market cap very soon. I mean, dude, holy smokes. It is looking good. Looking good. XRP looks like it just had a massive pump, actually. XRP, look at that. Looks like it's actually pumping right now. Okay. Crypto market cap is now at a new all-time high. Fear and greed index is at over 80. Over at an 80. Right here. 80, we are in extreme greed again. Yesterday was at 77, so we're up. Last week we had a peak of 83, and then last month was 84. So we're back in extreme greed, and it's looking good. It's looking good for us. Let's go to Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin is continually taking dominance. They're at 56% now. Altcoins are at 30, and Ethereum's at 13%. Now let's look at market caps. Wow. Bitcoin is at a $2.1 trillion market cap. $2.1 trillion market cap. Holy crap. XRP is back in top 3 at $142 billion market cap. Tether is at 140. And then Solana is back over $100 billion market cap at $105 billion. Okay, everything's looking good. Everything is looking good. I'm very, very excited. So, oh man, it's all looking... I think we're about to literally just do some crazy moves. Let's look at Solana real fast, okay? Solana monthly returns, okay? December, typically a red month for Solana, okay? 2024 was red. 2020 was red. So I'm wondering how Solana will actually perform, especially now that we're confirmed in a strong bull market. Will this actually be a green December? Or will it be red? We'll find out. I'm thinking with the formation that Solana is making, we should break out and have some green on the charts. We will see though. Solana quarterly returns. We're sitting at already 44.8% return. All right, for Q4 for Solana. So we'll see what this Q4 actually turns out to be. But I'm hoping that we see green in the month of December by close. This is the Binance listing. We've gone over that. Oh, I wish I didn't close that out because we might have some more. Oh, well, I can find it quickly. All right, let's look at Bitcoin, okay? This is the Bitcoin weekly chart, okay? And we have pushed up even further, heading towards our green zones up here on our fib retracements, okay? On the day time frame, we were watching this formation, right? We watched this formation. We watched it, and it broke out beautifully. And on that breakout, as you can see, it is now just pushing. Okay? And looking absolutely amazing. Looking really good. I'm very excited. I think we hit up here very soon. And that'd be over $110,000 Bitcoin. Close to $120,000 Bitcoin this week. So very, very excited. I think Bitcoin's about to rip. 4-hour time frames looking very bullish. Okay, we've made new all-time highs, right? We have this structure formation, and we'll see where we find if it's up here we find resistance, or do we see some consolidation soon after this major pump up. But Bitcoin is looking very good. Okay, so I have high expectations for this week. My targets this week are around $120,000 Bitcoin. Okay, let's look at Solana. Solana is been frustrating. Okay. Oh, wrong chart. Right? Solana's been a little frustrating. I wanted it to just start ripping, but it's not. It's seen 1, 2, 3 weeks of red in the last 4 weeks. 3 out of the 4 weeks are red. So let me erase. I don't need this. I want to see Solana to begin breaking green, right? So this week started off and it's already red. Okay, we're testing the 9 EMA on the weekly time frame. And I think this is needed correction. As you remember, we saw the support zone, price tapped in, wicked off hard. We are in the weekly time frame gold zone. Okay, and this is what makes me excited for Solana. If we can hold in this gold zone and push out, I think Solana is bound back to all-time highs. and then bound to over $300 Solana within, you know, the next couple months. Maybe the end of December to January. Now, when we go to the day time frame, right, we have this consolidation happening in this pennant formation. Okay, it's been respecting this move. It's been respecting it down here. We are at the down, and now I'm hoping to see price. I want to see price break out. Okay, I want to see price break out here and move up towards previous all-time highs. Okay, I have a position and I'm entered right here in this area, and I'm hoping to see price break out. Okay, I really want to see price begin to break out of this formation. I want to see the day time frame EMAs, the 9 and the 21, to cross again bullish. And if they cross bullish, I think we're going to see a continuation and a little bit of a break of structure and bullish move to continue on. So I'm excited. Now 4-hour time frame. Okay, 4-hour time frame, right? It's making lower lows and lower highs, but we tested the yellow line again, and we haven't fallen to this support zone again. So I'm hoping this is a lower high from this low over here, and that it pushes out now from here. I want to see the 4-hour EMAs cross bullish. I want to see price hold above VWAP. Okay, so we need some things to happen with Solana to really get bullish confirmation. Now, with my position I open with Solana, I am kind of taking that early bet that these are going to start moving bullish, and I've been taking the bet with this retest of this line, and now I'm really hoping that we get the EMA crosses to continue this formation. So I did take an early trade on this one, and hoping that we get those crosses, especially on the daytime frame. I want to see the 9 and the 21 cross bullish. But yeah, Solana's lagging a little bit. Let's look at Sui. Sui's been absolutely killing it too. Sui's in price discovery. I have a Sui position open also, as you can see on the screen. Sui's been killing it, making higher highs and higher lows, and keeping the structure formation. I have a TP up at this green line. It's a 25% TP, and I'm looking forward to it hopefully hitting that this week. 4-hour time frame, looking like we're seeing some consolidation, and I would like to see Sui break to new all-time highs. And I think if we break these highs over here, we're going to tap this, which is $5.15. Would put Sui at $5.15. I want to look at XRP. XRP looks like it had a pretty crazy move this morning. Look at that wick. XRP is doing that consolidation that we've been watching. Okay, and this looks like it's looks like XRP is not doing too bad here. Let's see the 4-hour again. It's been in very sideways trading. XRP has. But it's looking bullish right now. Look, it made a lower low here, higher lows, higher high, higher low. This is probably going to be another higher high. So it's actually looking pretty solid on XRP. And with the bullish formation with Bitcoin and stuff moving, looks like XRP is heading back to $2.90 and might break out to over, maybe potentially testing $3. So XRP is looking pretty good actually. Just sideways consolidation this last week, which is really boring. I don't think I'm going to be opening up too many positions. I had a lot of positions opened up last week, and I don't think I want to open up too many. I have 4 already opened. I might open up 1 more, and if anything, I'd probably open up a Polkadot position, or actually PENGU would be the one I'm focusing on. I probably won't open up another outside of this. So. Oh man, Polkadot is looking pretty solid though. Tap the gold zone on the weekly time frame. Daily time frame, it looks like it's respecting it. Made a higher low here. Yeah, I like it, but I think I'm gonna focus more on Pudgy Penguins. Okay. the PENGU drop tomorrow. So let's go back to Bitcoin real fast. When we look at Bitcoin, this is obviously going to be very bullish next couple weeks. Okay, I can see this breakout here. I'm expecting very bullish moves. Okay, and I'm expecting when Bitcoin has these big bullish moves that other things like Solana, like Sui, like Ethereum. Oh, that's the one we didn't look at yet, is Ethereum. I'm expecting them to move also very bullish. Now, Ethereum is still looking very good. Okay, Ethereum had a very red week. I told you guys we were going to have resistance here and bounce off. Tap the gold zone. I added more to my position. And now, as you can see, we're opening up another green week. And I think we're going to tap the zero line again. I think we're going to do it this week, if not like tomorrow or even today. We could tap this zero line again today. I have another TP there. I should have a TP there. Let me make sure I do. Yep, I have another TP. So I basically use this TP twice, right? Which is beautiful. I love being able to do that. I have a TP at the zero line. And yeah, I think Ethereum within the end of December could hit back to $4,600 to 4,747. And then retesting all-time highs. This is all-time high up here at this red zone up here for Ethereum. So I'm very, very excited to see what Ethereum does in the rest of December. I have my position. I've been DCAing in it and accumulating Ethereum with the ups and downs. My Ethereum position is currently at 11.5 Ethereum. And so, yeah, I want to see this tap up here in this green zone. I think it will by end of week. This week, I think we see a over $4,500 to $4,600 Ethereum. And man, dude, I'm gonna be excited. That'll be a great. I have a TP here too, so that'll be great. And I'm expecting once we tap up here, we're gonna see rejection again up in this zone. We're gonna see a lot of rejection, and then I'll be DCing back in, and probably I want to get it to maybe 15 ETH position on that when it rejects, and then we'll push up further. But I am very excited for this week. If you guys are not following us on our platforms, follow us. We're gonna be keeping tabs on this week. We're gonna be making sure we're very, very on top of it, because I am very stoked. This week I think is gonna be exciting. We got PENGU, we got Bitcoin breaking all-time highs, we got Ethereum pumping, we got Sui pumping. We're gonna have a lot of altcoins pumping. And yeah, tomorrow we're gonna focus in on PENGU a lot on the live stream. So that'll be kind of tomorrow's focus. But yeah, this week is gonna be fun. I'm very, very, very excited. And if you guys are currently watching, if you would like to trade like I am, if you like to do the futures trading, you can join up on our BLOFIN link. It's my preferred place to trade. And I'm sure tomorrow PENGU will be listed on BLOFIN. And so you could futures trade PENGU tomorrow too. So if you would rather, if you have a small amount of capital, right? Say you have like only $100, but you want to capitalize, you know, futures trading is a great opportunity. You can use some leverage, right? And buy dips and make some trades there. I might be doing that too with PENGU. I might be trying to spot trade, but I think with my futures account, I'll be looking to see when BLOFIN launches their PENGU, and that'll be my 5th position. I'll be trading PENGU on the BLOFIN. So BLOFIN is another great place that you can trade spot or futures trade meme coins, altcoins, L1s, L2s, everything. PENGU, baby. Yeah, I'm excited. I think it's gonna be very fun tomorrow. But yeah, let's see real fast if BLOFIN's made an announcement. I don't see PENGU yet, but they usually are pretty quick at launching coins. Yeah, they're pretty quick at launching coins. And if you have the app, it'll notify you. It'll send you, if you have it on your phone, it'll send you a notification like, oh, PENGU can now be traded. So I'll be watching out for that, and I'll be trying to trade PENGU because I'm pretty sure ME is on here. You can trade ME. And if ME is on here, yeah, ME is on here. So the cool thing about the futures trade, you can make money with futures trading if PENGU's dumping or pumping. So that's kind of the cool thing too. So the market doesn't have to be green. 5G's in, baby. 2x hopefully. Nice. I love it. I love it, dude. Yeah, PENGU's gonna be fun. PENGU's gonna be a good one. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna buy some spot for PENGU, and then I'm also gonna futures trade it. And I might use some of my spot to do some DLMM. We'll see. I might just want to hold PENGU. But yeah, guys, go to the link in our bio. You can sign up for BLOFIN exchange here, and you can be able to trade. And if you want trading bots, they got trading bots here. I got a whole bunch of stuff. So my link tree, what I'm trying to turn my link tree I'm trying to turn my link tree into like a library of tools for any of my audience. You can bookmark my link tree, and if you're ever like, oh, what's a good tool to trade early markets? Oh, let me go to Soul Maniac's link tree. He's got the pre-market, whales market. What's a good trading bot that I can use? Oh, let me go to Soul Maniac's link tree. He's got trading bots on there I can use. What's a good exchange that I can go buy cryptocurrencies at? Oh, let me go to his link tree. He's got a bunch of different exchanges I can go use, right? So my link tree, my goal of building it out is a place to organize it and have it as a tool for you guys to quickly go access things and know it's one, trusted links, and two, it's a place that you can find good tools that you might not even know of. So, you know, now I think of, I should organize this on like sexes, dexes, trading bots, pre-market, you know, charting, you know, airdrop farming, whatever, like all that stuff. I should have it all organized pretty good. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna organize it. But yeah, if you want, bookmark my link tree, and you can even save it as like an app on your phone, and you can just have quick access for it, or bookmark it on your desktop so you can have it. But link is in my bio, and I'm gonna keep updating it and constantly updating it with good tools for you guys to use. And so if you're ever interested in using the tools that I have, go use them. Some of them are affiliate links. Some of them are literally, they don't benefit me at all. They're literally just a link to a tool that you can go use. So, but some of them are referral links or affiliate links that I do benefit from, just so you guys know. So, but no one's paying me to use this. The only way I get paid is if like you use it and happen to trade, and maybe I get some money from it. But yeah, these are just things I know are good. And also, if you're following us on like TikTok and Instagram, okay, so let's go look at my Instagram real fast. I'm doing the 30. Sorry, this page isn't available. That's not good. I should go fix that. If you go to my Instagram, okay, and you go to my reels, right now we're doing a 30 days and 30 tools. So if you would like to follow along with our 30 days and 30 crypto tools to stay ahead, I'm on today's day 14. So we're halfway through. And then once this 30-day one is done, I'm going to do the next one, which will be top coins for 2025. And then I'm going to do one that will be like a fun one of like top 30 biggest scams of all crypto. I'm going to just continue doing these 30-day challenges on my Instagram, TikTok. So if you would like to go follow those and stay along, I'm doing those. Some of them have popped off, and we're trying to grow my audience. So I've actually grown it. I've 3x my audience now. We're almost a 4x on my audience since I started this challenge. So I love it. We're almost to 700 followers on Instagram. I'm really excited. Ricky asks, why hasn't the creator of Bitcoin come out and met with President-elect Trump yet? You know, I don't know if Satoshi Nakamoto will ever reveal himself, right? That would kind of ruin Bitcoin. Honestly, like it'd be if Satoshi Nakamoto revealed himself, or if it's a company, or if it whatever. Because right there, we don't know if it's a person, if it's a company, if it's an organization, if it's a group of people, we don't know who did it, right? We don't know if it's a single person or if it's a group of people. And if they reveal themselves, you know, that puts Bitcoin at risk. Why does that put Bitcoin at risk? And now there's a target for people to go and attack the creator of Bitcoin, right? They're now have a liability, right? People can try to extort them. People can try to, governments and countries can now try to attack them, right? And ruin Bitcoin, right? So I don't know if we'll ever know who Satoshi Nakamoto actually is. I think it would do more harm than good finding out who that person is or organization or whatever. You know, I don't know. It's hard to tell. How would that affect Bitcoin? It could affect it very negatively. It could affect it positively. And I personally hope we never know who the person is. I personally hope they stay anonymous forever. But that might not be the case, right? We'll see though. Let me know in the comments. You know, I want to try something. There's this feature I can do on Streamlabs. There's this feature I can do. I can add a poll. Okay? And I want to know your guys' poll. Let's see. Let's try it. Let's try it out. Let's go add a source. Okay. And we're going to do a Satoshi poll. Satoshi poll. Okay. Add source. Manage poll. Okay. Let's try this. Primary. Bar settings. All right, how do I edit the poll? Oh, here we go. Wait. I want to try it in fade times. Is it on the screen right now? No, it's not. Not on the screen. Vote. I'll have to figure this out, but I don't know. I thought this would be fun, but I don't know how to use it. I thought I could just quickly throw up a poll, but I guess you can't. I want to know, what do you guys think? There's over 60 of you in the stream right now. Do you guys think Satoshi should show themselves? Should we know who that is or should we not? What do you guys think? Put it in the chat. Let's see, what's PENGU at now? No way. 17 cents? No, it's not. No, there's 4. Did someone fill an order for 17 cents? $0.50? 10? Huh. Oh, right here. Who did it for 17 cents? Someone did it for 17 cents. That was kind of dumb of them. Someone got a good deal and someone got screwed. $0.20 here. Who's doing 20 cents? Are they just not paying attention? I don't think these people are paying attention. 14, 17. Why are these people doing that? 50 cents, 10 cents. Yeah, why would you do that when there's 4 cents? All right. But yeah. Use the link in our bio. You can go use our Whales Market link and start doing it. You know what? I might actually do a little bit. At 4 cents. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna wait. I don't think I'm gonna do Whales Market. Personally. All right. Okay, guys. Well, oh, here's the ME chart. ME chart's looking rough. It's been down only. It's been down low. My liquidity pool is closed. I don't even have that open anymore. Yeah. I actually took the liquidity from that and actually swapped it and got prepared for PENGU. So all my liquidity is actually ready for PENGU now. So I lost a little bit in the Magic Eden. It wasn't actually that much after fees because I originally invested 5.2 thousand. And we were like $4,950. So like lost a couple $100 there, but we were able to generate some fees. It was good practice. I learned, and maybe should have been a little bit more patient with the DLM pools. We're learning the deal. I like DLM pools, but I'm still learning them. So, what? No. Let's delete this. There we go. But yeah, that's all I had really for today, guys. I think tomorrow when we do our live stream, I'm not gonna do an early live stream. Oh my gosh, dude, Ethereum's about to hit my 0 line. Ethereum's pushing up. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Well, let's go. We could go down to this. You want to do something crazy? Let's go to the 1 second time frame. The 1 second time frame. Holy smokes. We'll just have this playing in the background. Dude, who trades on the 1 second time frame, dude? That's crazy. That'd be so stressful. Let me do it maybe a little bit longer. Let's do 30-second time frame. Yeah, let's do that. That's crazy. Who would trade on that? Bro, if you trade on the 30-second time frame, man. Oh, that's stressful. All right, that's all I had, guys. That's all I had this morning. I wanted to make sure all you guys who watch my live stream are prepared and aware of PENGU, and I wanted us to do a little debrief on Bitcoin after the pump that came and get ready for it, because I think this week is going to be really exciting when it comes to Bitcoin, when it comes to Ethereum. And so yeah, I'm ready. I'm excited. This week is going to be fun. This week is going to be good. A lot of cool things happening in space, right? And and just the market's green, right? And it's fun when the market's green. And then we'll get into 2025 and see how does everything shake out next year. How does it all shake out? Also update on the giveaway, right? We're doing the Ledger Flex giveaway. Last week, Kyle won the giveaway. I don't know if he's in here, but Kyle, congratulations on winning the giveaway. I'm meeting up with him. I think we said Thursday. I'm meeting up with him Thursday. I'm going to get lunch with him, and I'm going to personally hand him off his giveaway winnings. So I'm excited to go meet him, and I'm excited to, I'm excited that he won. I'm stoked that he won. It'll be my first time meeting kind of an audience member in person. So I'm excited for that. I've been blessed to be able to have a community like the Discord and stuff, and you guys watching the live stream. So I'm excited. And we'll do more giveaways coming up too. So yeah, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Get ready for the PENGU drop, airdrop tomorrow. It's gonna be big. It's gonna have a lot of hype. It's gonna have a lot of attention. Gonna have a lot of volume. So it's gonna be good. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning at our live stream, and yeah, we'll see how everything shakes out tomorrow. So everyone, have a great rest of your day. Have a great Friday or Monday, and we will see you tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time.